All right, I've just put oil in. Now we have a drain plug. So she's got 5 quarts in her. Got our engine up to 10 degrees before top dead center. Ran it over, made sure everything's good. Checked our valve lash. They are hydraulic, so don't need to get too cray. But they're ready to go. So our next step is I'm going to put our distributor in. Make sure we're good there. Mark it. Get everything figured out. Start running our plug wires. Brenzy's wrapping up a little bit of hardware here on the wire wheel. We got to put our thermostat on. And I need to sand the top of this valve cover really quick as well. But she's coming together.
Alright guys, been super busy. Painting some brackets, making a little bit look good. Alternator brackets, bolts. This is the power steering pulley. We're going to put some black satin paint on it. And keep on rolling. I believe Bobby got the valve cover all done. Because before, it was all black. And now he got the whole
Fins
top.
are polished.
Look good.
Yeah, baby.
All right,
Dry
guys.
this baby off, and I'm going to put it on because we are done with everything else on there.
Yep. All right, guys. Well, we'll come up with another update here in a little bit. All right, guys. Here's a quick update on the motor. I know I've shown some painting. I'm still waiting for some stuff to dry.
That valve cover turned out killer.
Valve cover's on. Looking good. New gasket. I'm about to change out the rotor on this. Put the new rotor cap.
Rotor, coil, the whole deal.
Yep.
That's a GM
GMHEI. So, yep. There's your quick update, guys.
See?
What's up, dude?
Look, we got the new rotor that you were shot video of. It's a nice AC Delco. Got the new Blue Streak coil. Nice new Blue Streak cap. And yes, it kind of matches. Ooh, fancy.
I like it.
Yeah, we got our wires. Our new spark plugs will be here in the morning. These wires are really good. So we're not changing the live wires. They're already there. Came with it. Clean those babies up a little bit. Away we go. This thing should be in the car soon. If not today, tomorrow for sure.
Definitely tomorrow morning.
Oh yeah, because it's for something. Yeah, we got to get out of here soon. But we'll get this together, and we have spark plugs coming. They'll be here in the morning. New temp sender, new oil pressure sender.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, it's gonna look good.
It's gonna be sweet.
We did fill it with oil. We already said that though. But
Yep. If I wasn't putting out the inline 6 or slant 6, excuse me, in my Plymouth,
in your Plymouth, it would be the twin of this.
pretty much.
It'd be Mopar orange, but the valve cover would look the same.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I get it. Look at that. Valve cover turned out nice. Pretty.
Oh.
Good job, sir. Waiting on our alternator. It's actually cheaper for us to get reman alternator and reman starter than clean the scuzzy ones we had. I mean, you had to look, how much is our time versus how much is the replacement? And away we go.
Yep.